When you're working on something that impactful, that will give you an extra motivation. You know, that small detailing from that to a bigger picture, you have to have a broader knowledge. That actually keep you on your toes, and that will give you the energy to move forward. Hi, I'm Princy M T. I'm working as an RF design engineer in GalaxEye. The abbreviation is radio frequency, something which is related to high frequency. Mostly we play with electromagnetics. We designed the RF sensor with high precision and high quality for very high quality data. That is like the core part of the payload or SAR sensor. I was pursuing MTech from Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, Trivandrum, which is actually a premier institute for education and training in space. My specialization was in RF and microwave engineering. That is actually more related with the SAR, radar, communication. So when I was in IIST, I became aware of GalaxEye. I was getting an opportunity to work in this technology. Here we do almost everything, from the schematic to architecture to layout and to the testing phase. And I mostly enjoy the design part. We use the software ADS for the design of schematic and layout. So based on the system requirement, we'll have the architecture and we'll try to implement it as a complete board. I was fortunate to be part of this DXS 1K from the scratch. From the system design to the schematic, architecture, layout, testing, I was designing the receiver part of the whole PCB board. First thing I would say, the team support and the inter-team collaboration. That is very smooth here. Secondly, I would say I'm working on something very impactful. That will give you an extra motivation. And third thing I would say that the project which more involved in space, that is having so many challenges, and you will have something to learn every day mostly. So that actually keep you on your toes, and that will give you the energy to move forward. Talking to Daniel and other founders is like mostly a brainstorming session. And Daniel is also closely working in RF, so I got most chance to have a technical discussion mostly with Daniel. He will ask you questions which you never thought about, and it will like brainstorm you. It's very inspiring, they being the 5 very young people who are in this field and they are planning to achieve something so massive and being able to give something very impactful. I'm also very proud of the team.